Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, I hope all of you are able to listen to me. A bit problem is there in the Zoom, and actually it is hanging. It was not allowing me to click on the participants, and I was not able to click on the enter, allow the participants to enter the room. So that's why if we disconnect in the meanwhile, so what you need to do, you will reconnect quickly, okay? Anyway, so I logged it off, and then once again I opened the Zooms, hence we are able to see. So last time basically we had started working regarding practicals. Okay, this was basically the objective that we discussed last time, and objective was that we will go through the practical work because we have already done chapter number 6. One student had sent me the message that in the chapter number 6 in the last lesson I did not upload the note, and then I checked that yes, the note was not uploaded. I will upload it inshallah, only that one is left. So, and I am happy that you people check your Google Classroom for the note. Okay, now come towards the practical work. You know that chapter number 3 is skipped in the theory, but it is there for the practicals. What we need to do, we have to go through MS Word, all the commands of the MS Word that I am going to cover, then MS Excel and InPage. Last time I explained you, if you remember, last time, definitely you would remember that last time what we studied, I explained you the procedure, and in front of you I installed this InPage, you can see on my screen. I installed InPage so that you can see the procedure, and I also gave you the link so that you can install it quite easily. Fine. So the link is available. I hope all of you have done. What you need to do from today, I will not only give you the practice text, some practice text will be given to you to type in page, okay? And I would like that you should go through the in page by yourself as well, by typing, by exploring the keys, because in Word Excel you would be fine, you won't face any problem, but in page you need to do the practice. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I am going to upload one assignment for the in page typing. Okay, in page typing assignment. This will be basically for your practice. Okay, practice work I am going to give you because you are going to have some holidays as well. Practice work for in page typing. Fine. So what you need to do, you need to type in Urdu. For that purpose I will give you some text. Let's suppose if I have some sample, for example, I will give you some text page, and then what you need to do, that you have to type that particular text, of course, and let me close it. For example, this is the passage. So I will ask you that you need to type this paragraph and send it to me so that I can see that you have typed this paragraph. In page, it means that it will show me that you are giving some time to the in page, because in page requires time, that I suppose, that I am sure about it, because you need to type the passages. Why? Because okay, all of you are able to listen to me. It was, I think, disconnected, then automatically it is now connected. Okay, fine. So what I was saying, listen now again. I'm saying that I'm going to give you practice work. Okay, practice work. Almost 5 tasks or 3 tasks or 5 tasks. At least I'm going to give you. Fine. I'm going to give you this practice work in Urdu. and I will post assignments over here. Fine. And what you need to do, you will type that thing. For example, take one example just over here. Just like I say that I give you one file I have got uh, on my desktop. Just like I gave you right now one example. So this is a file containing some Urdu text. I will ask you that type this text, apply that font size, whatever the font size. I will mention, of course. I will mention that this is the font size that you need to apply. This is the text that you need to type. Why? Because if you go to the model paper, you are given one passage, and then I'm talking about the page right now in the section C. You will be given one passage, and then you will be asked to do some things with that passage, just like type the lines, save the file. I don't think so there won't be any problem, but it just needs any practice. You have to give the time, and this assignment is compulsory for all. Keep in mind, compulsory for all. I need this assignment because we are going to use the same all these students, kindly keep the cameras closed, keep it close, because we are going to use the text of the in page in our practicals as well, because in the practical we will do the practical in three steps. Each practical we will do in three steps. One word assignment that you will do, I think, in 5 minutes. It won't take any time. Such kind of assignment. Paragraph will be given, and you will be provided one guideline about that paragraph, what you need to do with that paragraph. And then, for example, apply header, apply footer, give a title in the color, okay, apply background to the page. All these things, all these things which are mentioned about word, you will be given, just like apply size, font color, effects, insert symbols, insert equations. Almost about each and every thing which is there, we are going to do one practical, just like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 practicals we will cover, covering all these parts. Fine. So at least we would like to do 10 short assignments, short practicals. Short practical means just like this is a practical, short practical. Means we will be given one passage, apply this thing. There won't be any problem. I don't think so there is problem. You will type this paragraph, you will type this paragraph number one, you will save it. Will it take some time? You will apply drop cap. Drop cap means first letter should be in a larger size. This is a command basically in Microsoft Word. We will see all these things. Add header, system software. You will add this heading, system software. Change the orientation. Orientation means the page should be landscape. There are two types of orientations, landscape and the portrait. Portrait when the page is vertical, and landscape when the page is basically horizontal. Just like one file is already open in front of us, you can see over here. So this is the file. So if I'm saying that this is a file and I'm showing you in this way, this is a portrait, and if I go to the layout and I change it to the landscape, then it will be horizontal. This is the difference. Anyway, so such kind of thing, I don't think so it requires more than 5 minutes, because these are the things that you are studying from the beginning, from your early classes. Even Excel was there in class 6. So Excel assignment will also not be difficult. Some things will be comparatively changed, just like conditional formatting and such kind of things. Otherwise, simple formatting and adding text, applying formulas, you are not going to face any problem. But we will cover all the things according to this given uh, you can see over here, according to this line: copying and moving cells, contents, cell formatting, working with functions, formulas, creating charts, manipulating. Fine. So we will do the tasks related to this as well. And it will be quite convenient for us to do this. Fine. And then third task will be there for 5 marks, which will be about the in page. Copying, moving, deleting text, okay, typing text. So if you see over here in this example, if you see the given by the board. One sample is given by the board, just like you can see over here. Type the following lines in the in page and do the following practical task. First, you will type this paragraph. Fine. First, you are going to type this paragraph in the in page. Okay. Then you are going to say that type the lines, save the file. Then make the font size 15. You will select the complete text in this space. Select the complete text written in Urdu. Make the font size 15. Bold and underline the first line. Bold it and underline it. The first line. Only first line. They are talking about only first line. So in this way, we are going to do this task. Okay, so why I am separately giving the this in page, why I am giving the in page separately, why? Because in Urdu, in Word and Excel, you will do the task in 5 or 10 minutes, I believe, and I'm sure about it. But in Excel it may take you, so that's why in sorry, I'm talking about, sorry, in page, in page it may take some time. So that's why I'm saying that you will start practicing, start typing for the InPage at home by installing InPage in your computer system. And you will do this practice. Why? Because we are going to have in all the practical list that we are going to have, I will share with you a list of the practicals, and a Word and Excel practical we will be able to do in the class timing in the unit quite easily. But that paragraph, you need to do some practice. So that's why I am giving you already these paragraphs. Okay. So you should type it earlier and you should do the practice. You should go through the keys. Now, let me open over here. So I am starting, why I am starting from the in page? Because most of these students are not that much familiar with the in page as they are familiar with the Word and Excel. That's why. In Word and Excel, this is not any problem for them. But in page, they need some practice. Fine. So what do you need to do? I'm going to explain you some things about the in-page. In the meanwhile, the in-page is going to type, going to open. We are going to type some things over there in the in-page, and we will see the procedure how we actually use the in-page. Up to here, if you have got any question, all the things are clear. All things are clear. Now just raise the hand and let me know those who have installed in-page, so that I can see. Yesterday in your Google Classroom, I gave you one link, if you remember. Raise the hand and let me know. Only Zulkaf has installed. What about the rest of the students? Just raise the hand and let me know you have installed InPage. This was the link for InPage I had given to you, remember? And I explained you in yesterday's video. Explanation is there how to install. Quite easy. You are all are familiar when you run how to run the setup file. This was the link that I gave you yesterday. That you will go there, you will click on the second option or first option. Yeah, first option, the download will start. It will provide you the setup, and then you will go to that setup. Fine. And in this way, you will be able to install the image. So you have installed it. When you start, it gives you this alert, but you click, it will work. So then you check that it is working. What about the rest? Anna Samir, Sayyida Atika Faisal, Arham, Hamza, Hassan Tahir, you have joined, I think, recently, yes. Usman, Hani, Tawheed. What about the rest? Muhammad Ali, Mushtaba Abbas, Zainabad. Don't you have done? Why don't you? Why don't you do this? You are not interested? Afan, Heather Shfaq, Faiza Kaisar, Faisal, Amira Tahir, Ahmad Amanat. For what you are waiting? Special invitation will be given for this. I have given you this invitation, in your Google Classroom. You can see over here. The link is given to you. What is the thing that you have to follow the steps? So you will do this thing and let me know tomorrow about it. I will ask the same question tomorrow again. Fine. Anyway, we go to the in page. We take one file. Whenever you go to new file, now see this screen. See the screen over here. In page assignments, practical assignments are starting from today. In page, practical assignments are starting from today. Keep in mind. Okay? You have to do this. You have to do this and you have to submit in page 5. Just keep in mind. Okay, now when you click on the new file, it gives this dialog box. New file dialog box. What will be the default page size? A4, A5, B5. These are basically the different settings for the page. Normally we use A4 size, A3 size. There are different settings for the page size, and in each setting, when you will see the length and the breadth. 210 by 297 mm is millimeter. Okay, A5 148 by 210 mm. So A5 is smaller than A4. A4 is smaller than A3. Fine, are you getting this thing? So these are the different sizes. Normally that we use is basically letter size or A4 size. A4 size and letter size are near to each other. 8.5 by 11 is letter, and A4 is also almost near to that same point. Zulkef, you want to ask something or you are just telling that you have installed? Yes, Zulkef.
Sir, I want to ask this. We have
Yeah,
downloaded this.
loudly because your voice is quite low.
Sir, we have downloaded in laptop.
Sorry?
Sir, I have messaged you in WhatsApp. You can check the
No,
message.
just ask your question. All the students will listen about it and their concept will also be clear
Okay.
about that.
No, we have to download this in PC.
PC or laptop? Yes, of course.
Okay.
Fine. Of course, you
Okay.
need to do. You will practically perform. How will you perform the practical in the exam? On of course computer. So you need to do the practice on computer. Okay, you are not going to do it on any version of the Android. No, because over there it will be touch screen, and in the over there in the lab it will be keyboard, and you know, using keyboard you have to type. Okay, fine. Zulkaf, this thing is clear now.
Yes, sir. It's clear.
Okay,
Okay, I'll
okay,
download.
okay. So these are the different page sizes. A4, and I was telling you that the A4 and the letter are near to each other almost, but there are some differences. Legal page, a long page, legal page is 14-inch long. Width is same, 815, width is same. So we can take the page accordingly, according to our requirements. So we take, by default is A4, so we take A4. Fine. Length, breadth, all these things are the same things related to basically A4 page, the width and the height 210 by 297. Right now we are taking portrait or landscape. I have explained you. Portrait is the vertical page, landscape is the horizontal page. How many pages you want to take? By default it will be one. If you will type a number of passages or paragraphs, then you can increase the number of pages in one file. Ahmed, you are getting this point? Yes, Ahmed, you want to ask something? I have unmuted you. Yes,
Assalamu
Ahmed.
alaikum.
Yes, walaikum salam. Yes.
Sir, will this practical come in board exam?
Why we are studying? I have explained. See, Ahmed, over here, make your concept clear. See here, what is written over here? This is a board file, reduced syllabus file. See here, what is written over here? Skipped, chapter 3, skipped for theory. Topic will covered in the practical. Can you see this?
Yes, sir.
Fine. And you
Yes.
can you see this the list of the practicals ninth class? Word, Excel, and in page. You're able to see?
Yes.
Fine. And which file is
Yes.
this? See the top heading of the file. Which file I am using right now? Paddleboard. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good.
Thank
So
you.
I think you were not there in the beginning. I explained this thing from the beginning that these things will be, of course, we are doing according to the board exam.
Mm.
Okay, come towards the work. Come towards the work. So we will take this portrait or landscape. So we normally take portrait, landscape. If we will take landscape, the paper will be horizontal. Fine. One column. Column means if you want to type in the columns, if you see what is meant by the columns, if you are making column just like we make columns in Microsoft Word. If I select this text and we go to the 3 columns or 2 columns, can you see this? The text has been converted to columns. So this is basically about columns. So it is asking us over here in the in page, how many columns we want to take. We are saying no, only one paragraph. One paragraph we are typing in one column. Okay. So all these are the left and right margins, bottom margins that we have set, direction left to right to left. Of course, we are typing Urdu. So we will take always this option, A4 size page and default settings. We are not going to change the default settings. Over here, you will type. Now you will explore the keys. For this purpose, we can go and we can see over here uh, some different options are available. In the menus, if you explore the menu, how to save the file, how to take a new file, how to save a file, okay, how to print a file, how to exit, these some commands you will find similar to Microsoft Word. Fine. Now in the edit menu, there are some things. Preferences, application, document, typographic, story editor, and keyboard preferences. You will see that this is monotype keyboard view. Fine. So monotype keyboard view is given over here that we are using right now. So you should keep it the same. Fine. Key monotype keyboard. If you will click on the view button, you will be able to see all the keys which are there. You are able to see that where it is. Fine. So over here you can see that in Urdu typing, we have got different keys on different letters. Okay, different keys are there on different letters, just like Alif Mad A is there on Q, Alif is there on E, in this way. So we have to explore, we have to type one by one in the beginning so that we will be able to explore all the keys, then we will be able to type. So this is the default keyboard setting and we are going to use this setting over here. Oh, and we can see that this is the monotype keyboard setting view only. So we will use the same setting because in the keyboard of the computer lab, when you will be performing, so it will be available as it is over there. Fine. So you will be able to type, for example, K is containing calf. Fine. In this way, I is containing and. Fine. In this way. So these all are available over here on different keys and we have to explore this thing. A, S, D, F. What are the letters on it? Kaf, Fe, Ya. In this way. Fine. So I'm clicking just close. Okay. When I'm typing A, S, D, F. Okay. Fine. This thing clear. G, J, K, L. So this is the setting that you need to remember and you will be able to do it accordingly. So when you will remember, then you will be able to type it properly. This thing is now clear. So what you are going to do, let me mark the attendance because class time will be over otherwise. So first just we mark the attendance. From Atika Faisal to Mubashir and then Afan. So we are not going to change the keyboard preferences and we will explore it, then we will type. For example, this paragraph is given to you. So you are going to type. How we merge different words if you are typing. So different words are merged with each other. When you type, for example, if you are typing in this way, so then you will see that the words which are similar they can join. So joining will be done automatically over here and you will see that. Let me increase the font size so that you can see it in a proper way. Okay, so joining is done automatically whatever the letters we are pressing. For example, right now what I did, I pressed T and H in my computer, B and H in my computer. So the letters will be joined with each other automatically. So we have to type it by going through all the keys and we will be able to type. So what we are going to do, yes, you want to ask something, M. Abbas, Mohammad Abbas. Yes, Abbas.
Yes, sir. I want to ask something that the practical will be in Urdu.
Practical will be in Urdu means only one task is there about in page. That's why I'm explaining you in page. Otherwise,
सर मेरा पेज सर इंग्लिश में है.
in page English में आपका.
Yes, sir.
Okay, over here you will find ये corner देख रहे हो? Can you see this corner? Urdu is written over here.
Yes, sir.
Double click over here, then it will type in English.
Okay, sir.
This
Okay, sir.
This is my file. Now I'm typing in English. Double click over here. Now it is converted to Urdu. Now you can see that it is typing in Urdu. Fine. But all the thing is about your practice. How much you are good at the practice, you have to do it. Okay. So you have to practice for it. Are you getting this thing? When you will do the practice, of course, you will be able to type it in a proper way. Then this way we change the language from here, as I have told you. Fine. So we can make our text left align, right align, justified. All these operations we can perform on our text. Okay, let me just give me 1 minute and the paragraph that I have given to you, I have typed in so that you can some text so that you can see over there how you are going to deal with it. In order to save the time, I'm just going to share you the typed paragraph. Okay. Okay, anyway, this file I am not able to find out because I had some written text material. Anyway, what you need to do? What you need to do is basically that this text is given to you. You will type it and I will give small passages to you. Small passages of 2 to 3 lines so that you can type it. So right now, just like it is a long passage, so I will reduce this passage and you will type such kind of passages in your work so that you may have a good practice of it. Then I am also going to share the practical list as well that we are going to follow. Fine. I will upload it over here. If you talk about the Microsoft Word tasks, so Microsoft Word tasks will be quite easy for us. Just like you will be asked this kind of text, just like 4-line text is there. You will type this text. This is the text that is given to you. And you will type the text accordingly, and you will apply these options to that text. First, you will type this text. One image will be given to you for this text in your board object list in the question paper. Fine. And you will type this text number 1. You will type the heading. You will make it central align. Central align option is over there in the home tab. Fine. Then save. You will save the file. You will click on the save file. You will save it with your name on the desktop. Use drop caps to drop the first letter of the text. So we will have to apply this option. I think this is available in the preferences or design. Drop cap. Okay, you can see over here. You'll go to the insert option and you will click on this option, drop cap. Drop cap will be applied. This is the drop cap option available in the insert. Fine, then use the drop cap, add the header. We have added, change the orientation of the page to landscape. We'll go to the layout and we'll change the orientation to landscape. So this is the task, and this type of tasks are not more than 5 minutes. You will be able to do it quite easily. So in the next class, inshallah, we will cover these all things and we will start it practical by practical, one by one.